cleaned off, so.
Sorry.
You're alright.
Yeah, told you them.
That's why you've got us here. He's had too many vodkas.
I wish.
Well, there's an alcoholic.
We know.
What?
He says you're an alcoholic. It's just that you drink too many vodkas.
No, then no, then the alcohol. She's for it. No, that's you too.
You're getting in with the geese.
What?
You're getting in with the geese.
You coming to me then?
I like geese. That's fine with me.
Well,
Fuck it, you can go in the battle galleons.
So come. I did that time in Orlando.
Aye, that was in
Aye,
Orlando.
Orlando.
Ventura.
Aye.
hi, but there's the heat there. Nobody get the heat.
Ventura in London. Right. And at the end, there's a can you put a euro and you can soak people in water. And he was sitting next to this wee woman. And she's like, I'm never going to get soaked. He's like, it's not you, he's going to soak, it's me. Because he didn't get wet enough. So I'm pretty sure he did.
And I was drenched for the walk home. Thanks.
Cool to it was a hot day.
What you mean like today?
Oh no,
No, hot.
I don't know.
Spain.
You don't, yeah, darling, you don't, yeah. Honest weather. Here. Right, so, because you've got my phone, it's doing the steps that you do.
Yes, we were.
So
So
we're
generally,
together.
when you measure steps, it measures distance and then divides it by your average. So it just makes it up really. It doesn't actually count how many times you move.
Like, you could
It says your stride length,
Aye, but
and
what
then
we're
it
saying-
calculates it from the distance
Yeah.
you do.
So it knows your stride length by how often you've used it.
Yeah.
And then the distance we walk, it'll divide that by, and that'll give
Yep,
you your
I'm-
steps.
I
So
know that.
even in the bag, it'll still count.
I know that.
minus the Oblivion walk that you did.
Aye,
No, because I did a fair bit of walking while he's growing.
There you go.
Oh, fuck.
Roly poly.
If you want, but
Wrong directions. But we could go that way there.
right, so we've done 2 rides so far.
Yes.
Well, we've done 2 rides. You've done one. Because you're fit.
I look at him lying in the grass and somebody calls him like.
Well, no.
Some smelly people.
You.
Smelly. Thank you very much. Tip. Tip lips. We tip lips.